As you walk down the floor in our shops, they are absolutely stuffed with CNC machines. The CNC machine is the backbone of everything in manufacturing and even outside of manufacturing. Back in the day, you were shaping furniture, you were making that one specific thing. The great part about being in this industry now is your skills in running CNC machines and doing the setup and designing the tooling and the work holding applies to absolutely everything that is being made anywhere. So one of the unique things in this area is the FAME program. It's a great deal, and not only do they have a degree, they have no debt. So they've earned that money in their pocket before they start the college end of the classes, rather than having no money because they just paid the college.
If you're in high school right now and you're considering going to college, but you're not exactly sure what you want to do, a good way to go would be to go to trade school. It's shorter, it's cheaper, and you will make money directly afterwards. A lot of places that will hire you directly out of trade school, whereas obviously if you go to college, you have that debt looming over your head for a very long time.
Starting a career right out of high school, you are building your life immediately. You are working in the field that is getting you the money that you need to be able to start your life and also be able to effectively pay off that debt.
You get paid well, very competitive with other jobs to start. It's a very clean trade. It's something very prestigious and something to be proud of. College is great and needed for certain trades, but I coined the phrase that college education makes you a living, self-educated makes you a fortune. And it's up to that individual how quick they get there. I guarantee you will make a very good living once you master it. You'll never be without a work, because it's always in demand.